Hello, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. So, this lecture is going to be really short, simple, sweet, and quick because in this lecture, you are going to try what I've taught you, what you have learned in the previous two lectures. So, you're going to try something of your own. You can put any text here. You need to sign up. You don't need to sign up completely on you because you get to download the file whether you sign up or not. So, it hardly matters. And you can't give me that reason anymore. Put any text of your choice and generate the audio something, and what you can do is that either you put the audio on our Udemy's platform in the Q&A or in the comment section, or what you can do is that you can also put it on your social platform and you can tag me on LinkedIn, and I'll be really grateful for that. That would be your exercise. So it's really simple, it's really easy. Play with the voices, have a girl say the same thing, have a man say the same thing, have a boy say the same thing, and try it, play it, enjoy it, and have fun. And let's do it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.